Hello everyone. Welcome to our exclusive Education Plus Empowerment Updates. Well, in this short video, we will be exploring the briefest information with regard to our election duties. That means our pre-poll activities, actual polling process, plus we will be doing the packing information by looking at the various election covers supplied by the Election Commission. So dear viewers, let us have a glance at the flow chart so that we can understand in a clear-cut manner. Let's get started with the before actual poll process. So dear viewers, in this flow chart we have four components. So what we are supposed to do on the actual polling day. So we will be starting with mock polling process, then followed by sealing of the control unit, and then starting the actual poll commencing at 7 a.m. and ending of the poll at 6 p.m. So in this flow chart, there is a clear-cut information. So as you all know that mock poll begins at 5:30 a.m. supposedly, and then after mock poll, we need to ensure that all the VVPAT on working mode and ensure that we go for CRC, which means close, result and clear. After removing the slips from VVPAT, we need to pack the slips in the black cover. Then sealing the VVPAT with address tags, followed by sealing the control unit with special tag by clicking on the close button. Then packing the address tag and seal in the green paper to control unit. Then followed by check to total button. Then we will be starting the actual polling process at 7 a.m. So we as an APO, he or she has to submit 2 hours percentage completion, and by checking the total button or clicking the total button for every 2 years. Then after the end of the poll, we need to go for clicking on the total button and confirming the total. Finally, click close button and remove VVPAT battery and pack a cover. So finally switching off the control unit and happily concluding the polling process by issuing 17C to agents as per control unit and 17A forms. So this is the flow chart of the entire polling process. Now what are we supposed to do this with the election covers supplied by the commission? So there are 6 covers here. We will discuss one by one. The first packet contains cover EVM papers. So here 1 by 1 to 1 by 4 with regard to parliamentary constituency and assembly constituency. So 1 by 1 includes master envelope for EVM papers, then followed by form 17C, followed by presiding officer's report annexer 5, which means mock poll certificate, packing of or replacing of power packet, then followed by other registration forms, annexer and part 1, 2, 3. Now we need to submit the mock poll slips regarding parliamentary constituency. The same thing is followed for assembly constituency. Now let's go to the second packet, which is nothing but a scrutiny cover. So master cover for scrutiny papers, followed by PO's diary, followed by declaration of our companions form 14A. Then the same thing is for 2 by 3, 17A register and visit sheet. And all these should be sealed properly. Now let's move on to the third packet, which means statutory cover, which is very important, and 3 by 1 master envelope for statutory cover, 3 by 2 mark to copy, which is very important and essential, then followed by voter slips for parliamentary constituency, 3 by 3 used tendered ballot papers form 17B, and 3 by 5 unused tendered ballot papers, and the same thing is followed for assembly constituency. So this is the third packet. Now let's move on to the important flow chart of the election covers, which is the fourth packet, which is non-statutory cover. So 4 by 1 master envelope, other copies of electoral roll, appointment of letters of polling agents, election duty certificate, declaration by PO Annexure 5 for parliamentary constituency, and now look at the different color here, declaration by PO Annexure assembly constituency, challenges votes or received book and cash if any, unused and damaged paper seals or special tax 4/7, unused voter slip 4/8, and A's declarations 4/9, 49 EMA, which is very unusual, declarations test vote, declaration by voters forms and ASD. So here addition, shifted or death, ASD stands for additional or shift or death list, followed by letter of complaint to station house officer if any unexpected or untoward incidents taken place. So this is the fourth packet, and the fifth packet is very easy, which includes brown color master envelope for handbooks and instructions by the PO diaries, manual of EVM and VVPAT instructions, along with indelible ink fields and stamp pad. And the last one is sixth packet, which is blue in color. It entails or comprises envelope for the polling material, which includes candidate information booklet, other unused forms, metal seals and the presiding officer's material, arrow cross mark rubber stamp, and cup for setting indelible ink, and all other items if any. So like this, we will be doing the entire actual process with the help of these flowcharts. So let us recapitulate. There are 6 packets for as election covers, which will contain various forms and annexures to be kept in the election covers, and this is the actual process. So in the next coming videos, we will be looking at the sample filled in forms of various annexures and forms. So wait for that. Have a nice day. Please do subscribe and encourage for more educational information.